how to remove our eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, you will see first option is Connections. Click on Connections. After click on Connections, click on SIM Manager. After click on SIM Manager, click on More SIM Settings. After click on More SIM Settings, click on Lock eSIM Settings. After click on Lock eSIM Settings, if you want to remove eSIM, so you will see Remove. Click on Remove eSIM and click on Done and enter your PIN and fingerprint and Face ID. And after enter your fingerprint, you will see eSIM is removed. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can remove eSIM on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.